Hello there. Today I'm gonna show you how to get wallpapers for your PSP. So you will need USB cable, USB cables, PC and PSP. Now connect this little end here. Then the big end your PC. Open your PSP. Go to USB connection. It should look like this. Scroll down until you see the open folder to view files. So you need this picture folder. I will show you one of my pictures. This one. There. You have that. If you have that. So now let's get started. Go to your internet. So type there google.com. Then go here, pictures. There, picture. Now you will see there pictures. There. Then type the picture that you want. Okay, I will pick ducks. For YouTube, I have pick this. Wait for it to load. Then go press the right click button, then save image as. Then you will see that like that. So you can rename it. I will rename it Naruto Tux. Wait. Press the save image as. Then go to my computer, go to the removable disk, then go to the pictures, then wallpapers. If you have the folder, you can make a folder. Then click save button. There. Then close that. Then let's click this. Then safely remove USB mass storage device drive. Click that. Then it is safe to remove hardware. Now press the circle button. Press the circle button. Then go to the memo stick in the photos. Click that. Then go to the wallpapers and find the image. There you go. Here's your image. Set as wallpaper. Then click the yes button. You've completed. There you go. You have your own wallpaper. Thank you and have a pleasant day.